Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a calendar with Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're on the home page, you'll find a search bar at the top of the page. In that search bar, type calendar and hit enter. This will bring up a wide selection of calendar templates, each offering its own unique design and layout. Take your time to browse through the templates and choose one that suits your personal taste or purpose. Once you've picked your favorite template, hover over it and click Customize this template. This will open Canva's design editor, where you can start personalizing your calendar. Here's where the real fun begins. You can add your own images, change colors, switch fonts, and experiment with layouts. Since we're creating a calendar for 2025, one of the key steps is updating the year. Locate the existing year text on the template, click on it, and simply change it to 2025. Make sure the text is well aligned and clearly visible. As you work, feel free to make other customizations. You can mark special dates like birthdays, anniversaries, or important events. When you're happy with your final design, it's time to save and download it. Click the download button, choose your preferred file type such as PDF or image, and save it to your device. And that's it. So that is how you can make a calendar with Canva. So that's all for this video. Thanks.